everybody, welcome to Southern Belles. My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here today with something exciting.
Yay.
Natalie Attired.
This is one of our absolute favorites.
This is only my third box, but the first two boxes have been so good, and I can't wait to see what's in here. And if you haven't tried Natalie Attired, I strongly suggest it. I love Stitch Fix, don't get me wrong, and I've had quite a few of them, but I have found that my Natalie Attired pieces have been so unique.
It's very curated to just like her style.
Very much, very much, and it just very different things. And I have worn, I've kept 9 out of 10 pieces, and I have worn all but one of them, and it's a little dressier, so it just hasn't been appropriate yet, but it's coming up, and I can't wait.
And the cool thing with Natalie Attired is you feel more permission to keep just 1 or 2 items because you get the discount either way.
That's right. With well, actually, with 3 and 4 items, you get a 20% discount. With 5 items, you get a 30% discount. And then if you keep 1 or 2, you get your styling fee, which is $20 off of the total.
So you do good.
You do, and I've been really pleased with the prices. So let's hope we're keeping that part up.
That's right. We're talking it up. We better live up to it now.
That's right. So, and it's a pretty box, don't you think? I love the little flower there.
Let's see. Okay. I felt in here earlier, and I feel something really soft, so I'm hoping she gets something fun and wintry.
I know. Isn't it funny how just a little sticker like that can make things look so pretty?
Yes.
I did ask for a pair of jeans in this one.
Okay.
And I also asked, or since this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I did ask that the box kind of symbolize that in some way. So I'm anxious to see about that as well.
All right. Let's see what's that.
You know what? We always have to do the formalities first, which is
hard. Oh, it is hard. You want to just dig right in. Yeah.
And Jessie has been my stylist, and she's done a great job. I'm going to let Rebecca read it because without my glasses, I have a hard time.
Oh, this is really sweet. Hi, Wanda. Congrats on being 7 years cancer-free. Sending love and big hugs your way. To honor Cancer Awareness Month, I pulled this adorable pink top to go with... Do you want me to tell you what it is?
Let's wait.
Okay. Okay, the rest is just telling you what you asked. It's just telling you what's in here. And some style suggestions. So I'm going to hold off on that so you can be surprised.
Okay. That's one of the best parts, you know. You do have a prepaid mailer for anything that you want to send back. It's free. And are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get into it.
Oh, I didn't show my bundle, did I?
I do see lots of pink in there.
Yeah, I do too. Pretty. I wonder if that's what was so soft.
Let's get to it.
And the top I have on today is actually from Natalie Attired, so I'm going to put a blazer on before I go.
Oh, see something fun on top.
Jewelry.
This is one of the surprises I didn't want to tell her.
I don't even know that I knew they did jewelry.
Oh,
okay.
This looks pretty too.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, I do too.
That looks like you, Mama. That looks like something you would pick up in the store.
Oh, that is pretty. Pretty.
That is pretty.
And I really do have a lot of things that can go with as well. Okay. I like that.
That's
okay.
Really
All right. And pretty little pouch that it comes with. Okay. Oh, this must be what you felt that was so soft.
Yes. Oh, the sleeves!
Oh.
That looks like you. I love those sleeves.
Little ruffly sleeves, and
that is cute.
And
that would go with the necklace really well too, I bet.
Oh, it would. Yeah. Perfect. I really love the thickness of this, and I know you can see through it a little bit, but it's still very substantial.
Oh yes.
So I think it'll hold its shape well.
Definitely.
Ooh. Ooh.
This is another really soft one.
And a lot of times,
pretty.
It is pretty. Natalie Attired will put things together. So we said this is actually 2 pieces.
Oh.
And the first piece is this nice white V-neck tee. And you know what? Believe it or not, I don't have a white tee.
Oh.
And I think everybody needs one, you know, just for jeans or whatever. So, again, I really like the way that feels as well. Okay.
Okay, let's see what else we've got.
Oh, this is pretty.
That is pretty. That also looks like Valentine's Day and Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Kind of a nubby-like cardigan. It has pockets.
Perfect for this time of year.
Yeah.
And here in the South, this will get you through the winter too.
Yeah, this will be on most days. Probably this could be the only thing you would have to wear. You wouldn't have to wear a jacket or anything, so, or a coat. And then here are Liverpool jeans.
Yay.
I love Liverpool jeans. And they are petite, so I'm anxious to see how that hits me. I don't really get petites usually, but with Natalie Attired, you do so many measurements and send them so many measurements that the fit has been really
close.
Yes,
really close.
Very good with all of that. And I like these jeans. They're just plain. They're kind of a darker wash. No distressing. The ankle skinny.
And you have two whole outfits here.
Yes, you do.
The sweater with the shirt and the tee and the jeans, and then the other top with the jeans.
Yeah, and you could probably wear
And
the
the
other
necklace.
top with the sweater as well.
Oh yes, you definitely could.
So, yes, once again, Jessie, you have done such a good job, and I cannot wait to try these on.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay. Here's my first outfit, and I actually have on 4 of the 5 pieces. And I have to say, once again, Jessie at Natalie Attired, you do such a wonderful job. I appreciate this. I love this. This is a football game outfit or going out to shop in the fall outfit.
I can see her apple picking in this outfit. It's such a good fall outfit.
I love this. Let's start with this pretty necklace. Now, this is usually not the necklace that I would have gravitated toward, but I like it. The way that it brings out the color. You know, usually I would go for more neutral things so I could wear it with more stuff, but I like this a lot.
So this necklace is simply listed as necklace. I don't know what type of necklace it is, and it's $26.
And it has all these pretty strands. And again, this is a box for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yes, so they did a good job.
With the pink, yeah, a lot of pink things. So I think the necklace is going to be a keeper. How much did you say it was?
$26.
$26, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a discount on this box anyway. So that would bring it down a good bit more, because again, I don't spend a lot of money on jewelry because I tend to be pretty hard on jewelry and it either breaks or something. But yeah, I like this.
Great.
And so the next thing is this sweater. I don't know if you call it nubby knit or what, but
Beautiful.
It has just a lot of shades of pink and white in it. It is, you know, it's not like super soft, but that's because of the texture of it. But it is warm. It has pockets. I like the length of it. I like the cut of it. I like the straight cut. I have to admit, I have gotten some cardigans that have been like the waterfall and everything, but I think this one actually makes me look a little better. Not so much going on. So what is this one?
This is the E-long sleeve cardigan, and it is $59. This will be good for Valentine's Day too.
Oh, it would. $59, and again, cardigans, they run usually around what, $44, $48. So this might be a little bit more expensive, but I do think it's worth it. I really do, especially with a discount.
I love it.
Okay, so we're just going to keep going. I'm going to take the cardigan off, and we're going to look at, uh-oh, I'm hung.
Uh-oh. You need help?
There we go. Just one of the tags. Okay, so we'll look at the jeans next. And again, I've been doing some research, and I found out that I like the term triangle better than pear-shaped, but I found out that that's what I am, and that most of the time you wouldn't be wearing skinny jeans. That's not your best look at everything. But I think as far as jeans go, I think this is about my most favorite pair that I could ever put on. I think they are slimming somewhat.
They are.
And I love the wash on them. They're comfortable. They are cropped, but if I put my booties on with it instead of these, I think that'll keep me warmer, and I think I'll be able to wear them. So what are these?
These are the Petite penny ankle skinny pants, and they are $24. Wait.
I did think these were 50 something.
$96?
Oh.
That's how it's listed.
Okay.
I thought that was the total of the whole box at first. Excuse me. These are $96.
Okay, so that's why they look so much better, because they're really expensive jeans. But again, I have to think about the discount.
Exactly.
I know I would wear these. I would wear these a lot. They're kind of a mid-rise, I think, maybe mid to high-rise. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is mid-rise and what is high-rise. It's past my belly button though, so maybe it is high-rise. But yeah. And again, I have to think about the discount, because $98 would, or $96 would pretty much make me faint if I went to a store to get these. So I have to think about that. Okay, and then everybody should have a white t-shirt in their wardrobe, and I do not. So
that's a good one for you.
I do like this
I like the
one.
pocket.
The pocket, I don't usually like pockets, but since it's not in a pattern type thing, I like it. I like the feel of this. It is soft and it has the V-neck. I like the sleeves and everything. And what is this one?
This is the one that is $24, and it is the short sleeve V-neck PKT top.
PKT, pocket.
Yes, pocket top. Sorry, I'm having trouble deciphering this receipt.
And I can see, this was 24?
Yes.
24? I can really see using this a lot through every season. You know, you could do so much with just a tee, whether it's layering it or in the summertime just wearing it on its own or whatever. So yeah, I loved all of these 4 pieces. I have one more piece to try, and I'll be right back. And here's the last piece. And this is the only piece in the box that I'm not going to get. And the main reason is because of the shape of it. I will tell you the things I like about it. I love this color.
It's beautiful. It looks good on you.
It is such a pretty color. And I really even like the sleeves, just not on me. And the feel of the fabric is great. And I'll tell you, I even let Rebecca try this on because of having the 30% discount versus the 20% discount. But there was just something about it that, because I think she's an inverted triangle and I'm a triangle, so I thought, well, maybe it'll work. But it's just, I think it's just too loose. It doesn't really flatter my figure at all. It just kind of hangs there, I think. And with my shoulders being a little bit more narrow, I need something a little more, I don't know if structure's the word, but just something that shows that I have a shoulder, because to me this just makes it seem like they slope so much. And I told Rebecca I really, really wanted to like this on me, because it is the color. This color is so pretty. I don't know how it's coming across on the camera, but it is very pretty.
It's like a dusty rose color.
Yeah. And for somebody, this would make a wonderful shirt. We were trying to think of somebody that might be this size that that could use it, because I think when I figured it up, it's only going to be $8 more. But even $8 for something that I'm not going to wear, you know, I don't want to waste that. So I think it's going to be a 4 for $5, and I do think she did an excellent job in getting this color, because I know why she got this color and everything. What is this?
This is the B Ruffle short sleeve top, and it's $39.
$39. So you see the pretty ruffles and everything. And like I said, for somebody, I'm sure this would be a beautiful top on them. It just doesn't suit. It doesn't suit my shape, but it is such a pretty top.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, so let's talk some totals. What are the totals?
So the total of this box is $244. And then if you keep, is it 3 items?
3 items for the 20% discount?
Yes.
3 or 4.
Okay, then you get the 20% discount plus the $20 styling fee. That will be deducted from the cost of anything you keep from this collection.
And then if you kept all 5, you would get a 30% off, but I'm not going to do that.
If you did keep the entire collection, your total would be $156.80.
150, 680. So I think I figured out that the other, with 4 pieces, it's going to be like 148, 145ish, somewhere around there. Which for jeans, because the jeans are the bulk of the price.
Right.
For jeans and what was it? A top,
A sweater,
and a necklace.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. So I'm really excited now. I will have to say I just had a Stitch Fix that I kept 5 out of 5. So if I keep 4 out of 5 on this, then my subscription boxes may have to go on hold for a while. Because I will, it's like Rebecca was telling me, well, Mama, you'll have your fall wardrobe. And
That's
yes,
right.
I will have my fall wardrobe. So that's what it is. And I've said it in the other 2 Natalie Attire videos that I've made. And if you haven't seen those, go watch those to see the different type of clothes that they send. I love Natalie Attired. It is my favorite at this point. I love their discounts. I love the unique clothes that they sent me. It's not just the same old thing.
It's very tailored to her.
And I know you may say, well, you got jeans and a white t-shirt. That's true, but they were, I don't know, to me they were extra special, just if you could feel the pieces and everything. So yeah, try Natalie Attired. I'm going to link, or I'm going to list everything that I got in this box and the prices in case there was anything that you wanted to try. I'm also going to leave you my link to Natalie Attired, where if you try it, you will get a free styling, I believe is what it is. And I'm not sure what the discount is. I'm going to have to research that, and I'll also list that down below. But or just check it out. I love this service. I do. And can you think of anything else? I want her to try it so badly.
I might be trying it before too long.
Well, I keep telling her that's going to be a Christmas present for her right there. But yeah, and again, I'm Wanda and this is Rebecca.
Hi guys.
And we are Southern Belles. If you haven't subscribed already, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment. We would love to know where you're from. We'd love to know a little bit more about you. And if you've already subscribed and you come back and watch us, thank you so much. It's just kind of humbling to think that you would...
But that many people want to watch us.
spend your time, because we're just plain old South Carolina girls.
That's right. That's right.
But we hope you have a great week, and we will see you next time.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye.